For this project, you're going to need an Altoids tin, two 9-volt battery connectors and two 9-volt batteries, a carbon filter, which I bought at a pet store, a 40mm fan, this is a computer fan, a switch, this can be any switch, and a 7812 voltage regulator. Some tools that will be very helpful for this project are a soldering gun and some soldering equipment, along with wire cutters, wire strippers, some wiring, a heat gun and some shrink wrap, along with a power drill and a Dremel. For this project, you're going to have four major parts. You're going to have your batteries, you're going to have your 7812 voltage regulator, you're going to have your fan, and you're going to have a switch. Now, the positive end of your batteries are going to feed into the left side, if you're looking down, of your voltage regulator, as you're going to have 18 volts. It's going to come out the other side as 12 volts and feed into your fan. Once your fan gets its 12 volts, the negative end is going to meet up with the negative lead in the center of your 7812. And they're going to go connect to your switch. And from the other side of your switch, it's going to connect to the negative end of your two 9-volt batteries. The carbon filter that you're going to get will probably be bigger than the fan, so just use the fan as an outline and cut it to the size you need.